Philippines is composed of more than 7,000 islands. Millions of our population live in these remote islands.
A lot of people live in remote areas where banking services are unavailable. This means they have no access to deposits, withdrawals, savings accounts, checking accounts, ATM machines. This presents a huge challenge in getting these people included in the financial system.
So USAID came up with the idea of partnering rural banks like ours with major telephone companies to create this thing called mobile banking.
Mobile banking is banking using your mobile phone, using the phone to basically do deposits and withdrawals using technology as simple as sending text messages.
We were trying to serve those who have been previously unserved by financial services. These are normally folks who belong to the low-income households who have little opportunity to improve their lives.
These are clients who didn't have a credit card, they didn't have a debit card, but they had a cell phone.
The Philippines is the texting capital of the world.
There's a lot of cell phones in the country.
Our people send over 2 billion text messages a day, which is larger than most of Europe combined.
There are over 90 million phones here in the Philippines. You're looking at a penetration rate today that's close to 80–90% of the population.
Even the poor have cell phones, but they don't have bank accounts.
We soon realized that we could help clients who wanted to just buy and sell from one another and accept money through their phones, much the same way bigger businesses are able to accept a credit card or a debit card.
Good morning, you want to cash out? Okay, just send it to my phone.
As soon as I heard about the idea, it really made a lot of sense. Instead of a client going 3 hours to go to the nearest bank branch or to the nearest ATM only to find out that it's closed, they now have access to basic banking services, whereas before they do not.
I use it to pay my loans, to send money to my relatives, and to pay my suppliers. It's a simple text message to the bank, then everything is done.
Most of us are using cell phones and know how to text, so everyone knows how to use mobile banking, not only me.
This initiative in mobile banking has exceeded way beyond our expectations. Today, rural banks are helping facilitate almost $14 million a month in transactions.
The program is reaching over 380,000 clients who are regularly using mobile phones for their transactions.
I think what we're seeing is a completely new way for clients to bank. This is starting in places like the Philippines, but we see that this is going to be spreading.
The mobile banking model that we've created here in the Philippines is actually a leading edge model globally. We've all worked together to create this, and it's something that we truly believe will change the lives of 80% of our countrymen over time.
Quite simply, I cannot think of any single project in the rural banking sector that have had as much an impact. Without USAID, this project wouldn't have happened in the Philippines.